Hello everybody, today we are going to cook fish and chips. So, for 3 to 4 person you will need 1 glass of flour, 1 glass of beer, 2 eggs, 3 potatoes, and at least 4 fillets of fish. You will also need a mixer and bowls. Then, you take a bowl and you mix the flour and the beer. You mix a little bit with a spoon. Then you take your eggs and you have to separate the white of the yolks. So I just put the eggs in a glass and then I take the yolks and I put them in the flour and the beer. Like this, up. And the second, same thing. Okay. Now you mix a little bit the egg yolks with your preparation. Normally you have something like this. Now you take a second bowl and your egg whites. Now you take your mixer and you mount your whites in firm snow. And now it's ready. You look, it's something like this. Now you take your egg whites and you put in your first preparation. You mix with the mixer, a little by a little. Be careful so to don't break the snow. Okay. When you finish this step, your chip batter is ready. Now, you have a preparation looks like this. Okay. Now you take your fillets of fish, you dip in your preparation and put them on a plate. When it's finished, it looks like this. And now you have to fry them at 160 degrees to 180 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. And now we are doing our fries. So you peel your potatoes, and when it's finished, you can cut them. For this recipe, I will make big fries for the originality of my fish and chips. At the same time, be careful at the bake of your fish and watch them carefully. When you're finished to cut your fries, it looks like this, and the fish looks like this. You can put on a bowl, you have this, and the fries looks like this when it's fried. Now I do a little presentation and it looks like this. Good degustation.